Meet Alice, a young online shopping enthusiast who thought convenience was just a click away. Little did she know that one choice would change everything. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Alice who loved to shop online. She would often buy clothes, shoes, and accessories from her favorite websites. One day, Alice was shopping for a new dress for a party. She found a beautiful dress on a website and added it to her cart. When she went to check out, she realized that she had forgotten her password. She tried to remember it, but she couldn't. Alice decided to use the Remember My Password option. This option would save her password in her browser so that she wouldn't have to remember it next time. Alice clicked on the Remember My Password option and completed her purchase. The next day, Alice went back to the website to buy another dress. She was surprised to see that her password was already filled in. She thought this was very convenient, so she didn't think twice about it. A few weeks later, Alice received an email from the website. The email said that her account had been hacked and that her password had been changed. Alice was shocked. She couldn't believe that her password had been stolen. Alice realized that she had made a mistake by storing her password in her browser. She should have used a password manager instead. A password manager is a software application that helps you to store and manage your passwords securely. Alice learned her lesson the hard way. She now uses a password manager to store all of her passwords. She also makes sure to change her passwords regularly. The moral of the story is that it is dangerous to store passwords in your browser. If you do, there is a risk that your passwords could be stolen. It is better to use a password manager to store your passwords securely. Here are some additional tips for staying safe while browsing the web. Use a strong password for all of your online accounts. Change your passwords regularly. Be careful about what information you share online. Only shop on websites that you trust. Keep your software up to date. Use a firewall and antivirus software. By following these tips, you can help to protect yourself from online threats. Alice's journey teaches us a vital lesson: convenience can compromise security. Let her experience be a beacon, use password managers, update regularly, and stay savvy online. And if you found her story insightful, remember to subscribe and like our channel for more tech-savvy insights.